Oh yeah, we went through that thing. So we did a thing, you know, deals. Can't pass up on deals. My buddy might cook me up. This is one of his part out cars at this breaking yard place, tow yard place. And I decided, hey, why not? Let's just buy the LS off of him. So we're gonna be pulling this bad boy out today, and I'm gonna put it in the EK. So yeah, figured why not? Let's throw a LS in my car, have some more fun. And yeah, yesterday I came to compression test the engine, checked out fine. Also took some parts, redid conversion, a bunch of knickknacks. So yeah, follow my Instagram because I'll be selling a lot of the parts off this car. But the swap's here to stay. I'm gonna put this in my car. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work, somehow bend this rad support back to pull the engine out, take some parts off, and you know, call it good. All right, little update. It's been like 20 minutes. Got the front discs off. Axle shift linkage, bro. I haven't worked on cars in a minute. Got my ass down there. Hands are actually fucking dirty. The running joke with my boys and shit is that I never get my hands dirty. So here you go, motherfuckers. I'm actually working. Got all that out, axles, T-bracket. Pretty much, honestly, just waiting on David to come and help me pull it, because in my little matrix, the cherry picker thing didn't fit. So yeah, just got to disconnect the fuel lines and it's good. And somehow figure out a way to get this radiator out, and we're golden, man. It's good to go. Fuel line, solder cable, that's it. Feed the harness through the firewall. Good, bro. Boom. Done. Cool little car. It had like 130,000 miles or something. So hopefully it's a healthy B. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how long it lasts. And that's it. It's ready to be pulled out. Just waiting on David to come bring me the cherry picker in his truck. Pretty easy thing. Took us an hour. Not bad for being rusty. I haven't been working on cars in probably since the EF, to be honest. Got the tow truck driver moving all the stuff. That's pretty cool. Very helpful. Shout out to Mike too. Mike's the one that hooked this up, set this all up. All the people here fucking super chill, helping us out. But yeah. Still here waiting for David, so we figured, well, Mike said I could take anything I want from this car. So if you guys EGTC subframe, hit me up. I'm gonna have it for sale. Yeah, pretty much left this car gutted, dude. I'm just waiting on David. Engine's ready to come out. It's loose as shit. Kind of have it on a little crate right there, but yep. There we go, it's out. Previous owner had some sort of catch can set up on there. There it is. Thank you, donor car. David came to save the day. Brought the cherry picker, the truck. He's gonna drive it home for us. That's a wrap. Trying to start collect parts to put it in the EK. I don't know what else I'll need. I'll do some research. Thanks, car. So my dolly broke. Came to AutoZone, not AutoZone, Home Depot, and they cut mine up. So I'm gonna make this dolly, hopefully. Okay, made it back home. This is what I have left of my little dolly. That's what I bought. I mean, we're getting somewhere. I don't know what I'm doing, but put carpenter down on the resume. Here we go. That's gonna go in there eventually. Still gotta take it apart and get the bolts sent out to zinc. But yeah, it's looking good. Pretty much I'm making that dolly to hold the engine. That's the main thing. And so that I could actually pull my car out when I want to drive it. Okay, so it's been a couple of days. I finally had time to go through the bolts and whatnot. So what I plan on doing is taking every bolt and getting it re-zinced. The subframe brace I'm not gonna use in my car, but I'm gonna sell. But I'm still gonna, I might as well take all the bolts off of it and get them re-zinced. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna disassemble and clean the engine as well, and take these bolts to get zinced, because this is the engine I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just take all this stuff apart. These bolts, thing that holds the half shaft, all the bolts that hold the intake manifold, exhaust manifold, trans mount, all the little bolts you can see when you open your engine bay, I'm going to take. So I'm gonna disassemble this and clean it up at the same time, and yeah, send everything to get zinced. So I removed the engine harness. I don't think I'll be using this in my car because this is all OBD1 stuff, and there's like cut connectors and whatnot, and I don't know, I think my harness is better, or honestly I'll probably purchase a harness just because I don't want to deal with any of that. I want the car to be as reliable as possible, like as reliable as the single cam that's in it now. So I'm just gonna take all the necessary precautions, you know, get this bad boy running right. Want it to be a turnkey car. So yeah,